Imagine this. You are sitting alone in your room and suddenly a metal key begins to move. Slowly, silently, almost as if something invisible is pulling it. No wind, no vibration, nothing your eye can detect, yet a force is at work. A force powerful enough to shape the planet, run our technologies, and guide the very particle inside in your body. Ladies and gentlemen, this is magnetic energy, and today we are going to uncover the secret world of magnetic energy. Magnetic energy is all around us, yet we rarely notice it. Every time you stick a note to a fridge, use your phone, or even when Earth protect you from a deadly solar wind, that is magnetism. Magnetism is a force created by moving electrical charges. Think of a tiny electron spinning inside atom. Whenever they move, they create a magnetic field, a invisible bubble of influence. So, what do you think? What is a magnetic field? Picture Earth surrounded by giant loop like a space of butterfly's wing. These loops are magnetic field lines. A magnetic field isn't it just an empty space, but it's like a highway of energy guiding metals, charged particles, and even compasses. When you bring two magnets together, these invisible lines tell them what to do, whether to pull together or push apart. Here is the mystery you have known since childhood. Opposite attracts like repels. A magnet has two poles, north and south. Their pole is squirrel in opposite direction. When a complementary squirrel meets, they lock together. When similar squirrel meets, they clash and push away. It's like two whirlpool in the water. Sometimes they merge, sometimes they fight. Magnets aren't just a toy or a fridge decoration, they power our world. Motor, magnets plus electricity is equal to rotation. They drive fans, mixer, washing machine, and even electric cars. Generators rotate a magnet and you create electricity. This principle keep entire city lit. Speakers magnet vibrates coil creating sound. Your music depend upon magnetism. Hard drive and credit cards. Data is stored in magnetic patterns. MRI scans. Giant magnets look inside the human body. In the year 1820, Hans Christian Ørsted made a shocking discovery. An electric current could bend a compelled needle. From that moment, the world changed. Scientists realized electricity and magnetism are two sides of the same coin. Control the electricity and you control magnetism. This leads to electromagnet. Magnet you can turn on and off like a switch. This was one of the shocking discovery made in 1820 by the scientists. Magnetic energy isn't it just about old school motors and compasses. It is pushing our future. Fusion reactors using super strong magnetic field to trap plasma and create unlimited clean energy, wireless charging, magnetic field transferring power through the air. An invisible force shaping galaxy powering our homes and guiding the small particles. That's a magnetic energy. It's quiet, it's invisible, but it is one of the universe's more powerful architect. Every time a magnet pulls, pushes, or protect, remember you are witnessing the secret language of cosmos. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, then like and subscribe.
रेडी हो फ्यूचर के लिए? देखो ना, टेक्नोलॉजी कैसे पूरी दुनिया को बदल रही है। ये हमारा एक नया सफर है जिसमें हर कदम इनोवेशन की तरफ है। ये है टेक ज्ञान प्रो, आपका फ्यूचर टेक पार्टनर। तो चलो जुड़ते हैं इस डिजिटल रेवोल्यूशन में।